Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Gadgets and Toys. Yesterday, me and my friend Jeffrey went back to Chinatown again for another shoot, but unlike the last time, which is the day shoot on street level, if you haven't watched that already, I'll put up the link over here somewhere. But this time, we went for a night shoot. It's all about vantage point. A big thank you to Jeffrey for spending the night before to scout around the area. And the streets are packed with people, the traffic are crazy. But we bumped into a crowd of a different kind. At the same spot, there was like more than 10 photographers. Everyone with their own tripod, clamps, whatnot. Take turns trying very hard to not get into each other's frame. This time round, I took out my 14-30mm F4, 24-70mm F4, and my VR2 F-mount 70-200mm F2.8 to really zoom into the crowd. And this time I took more of time lapse just to have a mix of fun. So without further ado, I will show you what we did last night and hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you again in the next video. And to all my Singapore friends, Happy Chinese New Year! 恭喜发财! Bye!